Today is Monday, May 25th, 2020. Hello, good morning. How are you today? Welcome back to the video classes. Today we are going to talk about rainy days. But first, let's review new words.
Unit 9, Rainy Day. Lesson 2, page 85. Listen and say.
Umbrella, umbrella. Bench, bench. Puddle, puddle.
Go to the student's book, page 85. What can you see? Umbrella, bench, puddle. What is the weather like? It's a rainy day. I like rainy days. Do you like rainy days? Look at the picture and listen to the next audio.
Lesson 2, page 85. Listen and point.
What's the weather like today? Listen. What do you hear? Rain. It's a rainy day. The rain falls on our umbrella. The rain falls on our bench. The rain falls on us. The rain makes puddles. The rain is fun.
What is the clothes for the rainy days? But what is the clothes for the rainy days? On our rainy days, we wear boots, umbrella, and raincoat. Listen to the next song, Jump in the Puddles.
With my red rain boots and my yellow rain hat, I can jump in the puddles with a big splish splash. With my red rain boots and my yellow rain hat, I can jump in the puddles with a big splish splash. The puddle is wet, but my feet are dry. The puddle is wet, but my feet are dry. The puddle is wet, but my feet are dry as the rain falls down from the cloudy sky. The puddle is wet, but my feet are dry. The puddle is wet, but my feet are dry. The puddle is wet, but my feet are dry as the rain falls down from the cloudy sky. I can jump in the puddles with a big splish splash.
Now take your purple notebook and draw a picture of your favorite activity during rainy days. In the Literacy Skills Pad, page 69, find the difference, draw what is missing, and color the pictures. In the activity book, page 82, with your parents' help, read and circle the correct answer, then trace the rain and write the word rainy. Clean your place and do 5 yeses. See you tomorrow. Have a nice day. Goodbye.